Welcome back to InfyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up one very interesting question from algebra. Here we have x power 4 plus 12x plus 3 equal to 32x square, and we are looking for real solutions. So let's get started by writing our equation x power 4 minus 32x square plus 12x plus 3 equal to 0. Let me call this is our equation number 1. Now I will share two different approaches to proceed this question. So let me write here method 1. And this method is using product of quadratics or biquadratic method. So we can write x square plus ax plus 1 times x square minus ax plus 3 equal to 0. Now I will expand. I will write here x power 4 plus 4 minus a square times x square plus 2ax plus 3 equal to 0. Now I will call this is my equation number 2. Comparing both sides, let me write comparing equation 1 and equation 2. So right hand side is 0, left hand side we will equate the coefficient of x square and coefficient of x. So if I will compare coefficient of x, then 2a equal to 12. And if I will compare coefficient of x square, then 4 minus a square, this will be equal to minus 32. So I will consider this equation first. I can write a equal to 6, which I will apply in this equation. So 4 minus 6 square, is this equal to minus 32? Let us check. 4 minus 36, is this equal to minus 32? So yes, minus 32 equal to minus 32. That means a equal to 6 is our solution. And this value I will apply here in the product equation. Let us write x square plus ax plus 1 times x square minus ax plus 3 equal to 0. Now a equal to 6. So I will write x square plus 6x plus 1 times x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. So we can conclude x square plus 6x plus 1 will be 0, or x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Let us solve both the quadratic equations for our solution. So I will be writing here x equal to minus b, minus 6 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, so 2, minus 6 plus minus square root 32 over 2a, so 2, minus 6 plus minus 4 root 2 over 2. So our solutions are minus 3 plus minus 2 square root 2. Now second equation I will apply quadratic formula once again. Minus b, so 6 this time, plus minus square root. B square is 36 minus 12 over 2. 6 plus minus square root 24 over 2. 6 plus minus 2 square root 6 over 2. So x is equal to 3 plus minus root 6. Now I will consider the second case. X square plus ax, let me write case second. Ax minus 1, x square minus ax minus 3 equal to 0. Still we will be getting plus 3, as minus 1 times minus 3 is plus 3. Now I will expand LHS. So we will get x power 4 minus 4 plus a square times x square minus 2ax plus 3 equal to 0. Now I will compare with our original equation 1, and let us say this is our equation 3. So I will compare the coefficient of x square. Then I can write minus 4 plus a square. This will be equal to minus 32. And once I will compare the coefficient of x, then minus 2a equal to 12. So from here, a equal to negative 6, which we will substitute here. If it will satisfy, then that we will accept. So minus 4 plus minus 6 square, 36. Is this equal to minus 32? Minus 40. Is this equal to minus 32? No. So this value will be rejected, and case also. Now I will consider method number 2. Our equation was x power 4 equal to 32x square minus 12x minus 3. Now I will write expansion of x square plus a whole square. So I can write here x power 4 plus a square plus 2ax square. Let us calculate x power 4 from here. So I can write x power 4 will be x square plus a whole square minus a square minus 2ax square. And this value I will substitute here. So I can write x square plus a whole square minus a square minus 2ax square equal to 32x square minus 12x minus 3. Now I will take these two terms to the RHS. So x square plus a whole square will be equal to, I will write 32x square plus 2ax square plus a square minus 3, and then we will write minus 12x. Let us write in the appropriate order. X square plus a whole square will be equal to 2a plus 32 x square minus 12x plus a square minus 3. Let me write here. Let us write once again. Now left hand side is one perfect square. For x to be real, RHS must be one perfect square. So I will consider the coefficient of x square as capital A, the coefficient of x as capital B, and this constant as C. So we can conclude discriminant, it is b square minus 4ac. This should be equal to 0. So I can write here b square. So I will write minus 12 whole square minus 4 times 2a plus 32 times a square minus 3. This should be equal to 0. Now I can write here 144 minus, take 2 common from first bracket. So it will be a plus 16 times a square minus 3 equal to 0. Now I will divide this equation by 8. So I can write 18 minus, let's multiply these two brackets, a cube, then it is 16a square minus 3a minus 48 equal to 0. So we'll be getting one cubic equation, a cube plus 16a square minus 3a minus 66 equal to 0. Now I can solve this equation, cubic equation, using synthetic division method and rational root theorem. Let me write cubic once, a cube plus 16a square minus 3a minus 66 equal to 0. Now I will find the factors of constant 66. So it is plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 6, plus minus 11, plus minus 22, plus minus 33 and so on. And leading multiplier is plus minus 1 only. If I will plug in a equal to 1, will it satisfy? 1 plus 16 minus 3 minus 66. No, it won't. Let us put a equal to 2. 8 plus 64 minus 6 minus 66. So 72 minus 72. Yes, this is making our RHS 0. So a equal to 2 is our base solution. Now I will use synthetic division method. Let us write all the coefficient of cubic equation. So 1, 16, minus 3, minus 66. Now I will write the leading coefficient as it is 1. Now let's multiply with our base solution. So 2 times 1, 2, 18. 2 times 18, 36, 33. 2 times 33, 66, 0. So here we have coefficient for quadratic equation. So a square plus 18a plus 33 equal to 0. Now I will solve this quadratic first. Using quadratic formula, a equal to minus b, so minus 18 plus minus square root 18 square, so 324 minus 4ac, so it will give us 132 divided by 2a. So minus 18 plus minus, this value will be 192 over 2, which I can write minus 18 plus minus 8 times root 3 over 2. 192 is 64 times 3. Now I will divide by 2, so minus 9 plus minus 4 root 3. Now you can see, because of irrational roots, we can reject this solution, rejected. So a equal to 2 will be the accepted one. So I will write here a equal to 2. And this value I will apply here in this equation, x square plus a whole square equal to 2a plus 32 x square minus 12x plus a square minus 3. Let us apply a equal to 2. So I will be getting x square plus 2. Let me write plus 2 whole square. This will be equal to 2a plus 32. So 36x square minus 12x plus 4 minus 3, 1. And RHS is perfect square of 6x minus 1. Now I will consider square root both sides. So I will be getting x square plus 2 equal to plus minus 6x minus 1. So I can write two equations from here. First one with plus sign, second one with negative sign. Let us write Here it is. Now I can write x square minus 6x plus 3, our first quadratic equation, and x square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0, our second quadratic equation. Let us apply quadratic formula. X equal to minus b, so 6 plus minus square root b square, so 36 minus 4ac, so minus 12 over 2a. So we will get from here x equal to 3 plus minus root 6. We have solved earlier in method 1. Now second equation, let us apply quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus under the root b square minus 4ac over 2a, so 2. From here we will be having the other two solutions, minus 3 plus minus 2 square root 2. And this was our method number 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.